So how to download an extension in Chrome or how to add an extension in Chrome. The steps are quite easy for your desktop and PC. Well, that's not the case for your smartphone. So what we do is first hit into your Chrome application. Yes, we have the three dots option. Simply click into that. We don't have any extensions option, right? We don't see that recently. You can even have your desktop site on. I still don't find the extension option. So what I do is get into another web browser. It has got the name of Kiwi browser. For that, we simply hit into our Play Store. Alright. Then we type there Kiwi browser. After we have typed Kiwi browser, we simply click the install option. It may take some time to install. Alright, we can wait for some time. Yes, now we can open it. Now we type continue. Now we type web store extension. Alright, type web store extension. I hope you are with me. Now we click the Chrome Web Store. We see a search bar at the left side. Alright, we search the extension of our choice. I'm typing my extension. You may type yours. After you have typed it, simply click into it. Now we see the related options of our extension. We may type the one that we want. Then we see the add extension option at the right corner, which is highlighted by blue box. We click into OK option. Yes, the steps are quite easy. I hope you find it helpful. Now if you want to download an Instagram video, then it's an Instagram story, then we have a video right at your screen. Click into it. This is me Ekta signing off.